Alright, welcome back to the channel. I'm Viper, and today we're going to clear some things up. Before we get started, do all that like and subscribe stuff, and let's get started. Check it out. Do you wear glasses? Do you need to see when you're in VR? Are you afraid to put your glasses inside your headset? Afraid you're going to scratch it up? Check it out. VR Rock. That's the way to go. Because I don't want to buy another Quest headset. I don't want to spend $500 again if I don't have to. So I reached out, got me some VR Rock lenses, and boom, here you go, right? Boom. I don't know if you can see it come in a nice little case right here. They just snap on to the inside, which you guys probably already know. You probably seen this video for VR Rock, but if you haven't, it's these little things right here, right? And it just snaps onto your Quest. It works. Me, I work 8 hours a day inside of VR, and I need to read what I'm doing. So, boom, I put them on because I only need them to read. Now, when I game, I don't need them because I'm able to see all that stuff. But for you guys that game or you doing those puzzles, all that stuff in VR, and you need glasses, and you got to put your glasses inside of it, forget all that, man. Get yourself some VR Rock lenses and put those joints in your headset. You don't have to be super careful how you put the headset on and off. They make them for all kinds of headsets. Your Quest 2, your Quest 3, and your Quest Pro. Listen, I just wanted to kick it with you guys, let you know that VR Rock has some lenses. They really affordable. If you need like the ones without prescriptions and you just want like a blue light filter or something like that, they got that too. I just wanted to let you guys know what I use, and I'm telling you guys. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.